Hi future homeowners! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Virtual House Tour. So for today's vlog, wala tayo ngayon sa Pampanga, di ba Ms. Serena?
Yes.
Today, we will be featuring Vion Tower, which is strategically located dito sa Chino Roses, Makati, di ba Ms. Serena?
Yes, and it's in front of Alphaland Southgate Mall. It's just 5-minute walk to MRT Magallanes Station. So very accessible yung location. Connected siya sa MRT, LRT, PNR North, and PNR South. At the same time, according to Manila Times, no, sir, that properties near Metro Manila Subway will triple prices po. No?
Oh, nice.
Yes.
And knowing that the location is in Makati, so this is one of the central business district,
Yes,
diba?
it is being sandwiched with the two business districts, which is yung Pasay and PGC. So, nakagitna si Makati, and it's also surrounded with the 10 or around mga best neighborhoods here like Salcedo, Salcedo Village, Bel Air, Legazpi, Rockwell. So, ang ganda po ng location. At the same time, sir, ang ginawa kasi dito ni Megaworld, upgraded din yung delivery point and amenities. So, our unit owners have 16 amenities to enjoy here. We have the dance studio, game room, and also the first Olympic pool size of Megaworld. Ayan. So, ang daming ma-enjoy mga smart home units.
Wow!
Yes.
So, sounds really exciting, no, with our project. But I believe for Vion Tower, we have Vion Tower 1 and Vion Tower West.
Yes,
No?
Vion West. So, yung Vion Tower natin, sir, the first tower of Vion po, no, it consists like 57 floors with 1,051 units. While yung Vion West po, the Tower 2, ano lang tayo doon, 34 floors with 319 units only. So, mas konti.
Correct.
At the same time, sir, may tayo, 2-story mall here in Vion Tower and office floor doon po.
Oh, sounds nice. And also, in addition, kasi some of the clients are like worried when it comes to parking. We have also mga parking. We have the basement and the Condo parking for each respective na project natin dito sa Vion, diba? So they could also avail parking
lots. And yung mga in-offer natin dito, sir, mga studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, from 24 square meters to 70 square meters. So meron tayo, no sir, 7 million to 18 million, depende po sa size. At the same time, we offer discounts pa.
Wow. That's nice. And yun nga, for this vlog, we will be flashing you the virtual tour na makikita nyo dito, no? So, later on, we will show you around para at least you get inspired dito sa kung paano, how will look like yung yung unit, diba?
Yes. And here kasi, sir, si Vion Tower Makati is for those who witnessed the growth in Makati but missed the prior opportunities in investing. So this is their chance to finally own a property investment here in the undisputed land of opportunity here in the Philippines, which is Makati.
Yes, and how about the price ranges do we have here?
Yes, sir.
How much kaya for a typical studio?
Yes, sir. We have like around 7 million to 17 million pesos.
So it depends on the units that our clients will avail, diba? So that's why feel free to message us for more details because we will be having a comprehensive discussion. So we can set an appointment via Zoom presentation. So feel free to message us through our YouTube channel, Facebook page, and with our personal Facebook account. So we're approachable. So again, we're more than happy to guide you. So yeah, what are you waiting for?
Guys.
Yeah. So what are you waiting for? I'm so excited to show them around with this beautiful unit here in Makati, the Vion Tower. So come on, let's have a tour. Let's go.